Today I'm going to share a fun little recipe or method for using crookneck squash with some fresh corn, also some onions. So this is all, I believe this whole dish is made with garden produce from my garden. So you shuck the corn, pick some onions here. These are some nice little, I think these are like Egyptian walking onions. So they don't get incredibly big, but they grow. They're incredibly hardy. They grow everywhere. So cut up quite a bit of onions. I do about equal parts squash and corn. This is a crookneck squash. I cut the corn off the cob. Just cut it into a strainer like this. And then I do maybe about half as much onions as I do corn and or the crookneck. So I fried the onions up first, then I put the crookneck squash in just a frying pan like this. Cover it up, let it cook for a while. Then I added the corn last, maybe about 5 minutes in. Put some pepper on. Also mix that up, then put some salt in as well. Then I cover and let this cook for maybe another 5 minutes. This is all on medium heat. Oh yeah, I add some brown sugar in, just a little bit. I didn't do this whole thing. I do maybe 1/4 cup of brown sugar, just however much you like. And then mix that all up a little bit. Cover for another 5 to maybe 10 minutes depending on your heat. And it's good to go. That's the recipe, guys. Thanks for watching.